Hello viewers, you are all welcome in Summer Kitchenette, the Foods Lab. Now we are here again with our new exciting and innovative recipe, mango cream cake. And the ingredients for mango cream cake are required: 2 cup all-purpose flour, whipping cream for frosting, 4 eggs, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence or vanilla extract. These are all ingredients are required for cake sponge. And I will mention the ingredients in recipe, and recipe we will give you in description box. And in last, the molds for cake. And 1 cup of sugar will be required for mango cream cake. You can see 1 cup of sugar will be required. Okay guys, let's start the recipe. We will beat these 4 eggs in a large mixing bowl. We will beat these eggs with our beater for 5 to 8 minutes on low to medium speed. Okay guys, you can see after beating these 4 eggs, we will add 2 cup all-purpose flour. This is 2nd cup of all-purpose flour. After 2 cup all-purpose flour, we will add this baking powder, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and pinch of salt. We will add half cup oil, 1 cup of boiled water. Now we will mix all these ingredients on low to medium speed in a large mixing bowl, and we will mix all of these ingredients with our beater. Let's start. We will add this vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon in our cake mix. mixing, you can see this type of consistency is required. See, okay, we will pour all this cake mixture in our molds, and then we will put in oven which is preheated on 180 degree, and we will bake this cake. Okay viewers, you can see our cake mixture is ready to go in oven which is preheated for 15 minutes on 180. Now we will put these molds in. Okay viewers, you can see we will bake these cake sponges in our molds in oven which was preheated on 180 degrees centigrade, and we will bake this for 30 minutes. Okay viewers, you can see after 30 minutes our cake sponge is ready. Two sponges we have, cake sponge, and we will apply frosting on this cake, and this is whipped cream, and this frosting is ready to apply. As you can see, this is our frosting on cake sponge and mango chunks, and we will apply more frosting and one more cake sponge on it. We will put one more sponge, and then we will finalize our mango cream cake. Okay guys, you can see how we are applying our frosting with the scraper. You can see, and in next step we will garnish with mango, and we will show you how we will garnish our cake. The flower of mango on top of the cake, and we will apply finally one cake topper in it and mango flower. It's looking beautiful, and this is an awesome recipe. This is a must try recipe. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will come again with our new exciting innovating recipe in Summer Kitchenette, the Foods Lab. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you later. Till then, bye bye.